Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful round crochet tablecloth design ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers, a simple beginner's crochet round tablecloth. Today I have a simple round crochet tablecloth ideas for beginners. This design uses base stitch like chain and double crochet. It is very easy to follow and quick to make. The round shape grow evenly so it look neat and balanced. You can use one color for a clean look or add soft color chain for style. If you are new to crochet, this is perfect to start with. Simple, beautiful and useful. And the weavers, next idea is friends, vintage round crochet tablecloth. This is a vintage style round crochet tablecloth. It has a timeless classic design inspired by old handmade patterns. The fine stitch and soft edge give it a royal look, perfect for tea tables or traditional home decoration. White or cream color work best for this style. This design brings warmth and a feeling of traditional interior home. And friends, next idea is weavers, flower crochet tablecloth. Look at this amazing round crochet tablecloth with flower design. So here's the center. Start with a small circle and slowly grow into beautiful flower patterns. Each round adds more detail and beauty. And friends, so next idea is friends, you can use bright color like pink, yellow, or green to give a fresh and lively look. This tablecloth brings a garden feeling into your home. It is perfect for spring decoration and look lovely on any tables. Try this design and enjoy your creative. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more notice updates. So friends, another piece